the snow, everybody. We love riding these bikes, I'll tell you that. We've got street bikes too, but not a great day for it, obviously, with snow. But we hope you guys like. Looks like he's coming back down here in a second. You gotta admit, these bikes are nice looking. Here he comes, he's coming back down. Donut right here. Nice. Awesome. Awesome job, Aiden. Awesome job. Having fun?
Yeah.
Say hi to everybody. What do they have to do? Like and subscribe, right?
Like and subscribe.
All right. Aiden.